In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what I've been up to and how I can help you earn money online. Hey guys, what's up? Real quick, I wanted to hop on here, make a quick video, kind of inform you guys, let you know what's been going on. Obviously, I'm in the vehicle, traveling. Hopefully the audio isn't too crazy, isn't too bad, and you can follow along. As most of you know, through groups and on Facebook and whatever, if you follow me there, you know that here recently in the past year, I went in partnership with a drilling underground construction company, and we're full throttle right now. We're growing, and it takes a lot of hands. It takes a lot of time from me and my brothers that went into this business and started the company. And so at this time, we are super strapped for time. Therefore, all the side hustling, all the stuff online, everything that I was doing extra, I've really pulled back the reins. And I'm gonna start releasing more videos. Now, my biggest issue with releasing videos is everybody else has got real nice cameras, they're editing, they're spending hours and blah blah. I don't have time for all that. I don't have time. And now at this time, I actually do have the money, but I don't have the time. So it's kind of flopped, but it's whatever. So what I'll be doing is releasing these videos right from my phone, because I do have a ton of knowledge, and I've got a lot of stuff that I really want to get out there to you guys to help you on the path that you're on, creating a side hustle, growing that side hustle. If you want to make an exit and you want to sell whatever, I've got some knowledge, I've got some connections, and I've got a network of people that I want to get you guys connected with. Just because I'm busy doesn't mean that y'all's growth have to stop, or if you're starting, you don't have to not start. So with that being said, things that I'm trying to continue doing online is I want to keep the SEO blog going. As most of you know, I've been kind of getting that all put together, and we're getting ready to launch that. That's going to help small business owners primarily learn and understand SEO. So it's not to sell services, it's not to consult, I want to give you a basic understanding of SEO as a small business owner, so you know where to start and what to do next to get the most out of your SEO campaigns, driving more traffic to your business. Very simple, guys. It's not hard, and if you do it correctly, it doesn't have to be all complex and extremely it's easy to understand, guys, if you know where to start and what to do next. And so that's the point of that whole blog, is just simply to direct small business owners into some knowledge, into the information they need to know where to start and what to do next. That blog will also, if you're strapped for time like I am, you can hire my agency, which we'll talk about that more. You can hire my agency to do this work for you. Now, that again, that's not what the purpose of the blog is. Hopefully you're able to learn and figure out and understand what's going on and what to do, and how to get started with SEO to leverage it the most for your business. But if you're strapped for time like I am, I have an agency in place with freelancers that I have brought on, and they are very talented. We guarantee our work results, because we know what we're doing. And when it becomes a science like it has today, SEO really isn't that complicated. You look at your competitors, you see what they're doing. If they done this 4 times, you do it 5, you outrank them. That's simple. It's not hard. Don't worry about backlinks. Don't be worrying about link building and all that. Just simply do what needs to be done. And that's starting with on-page. You want to start with on-page SEO. Get all your ducks in a row. Get your shit lined out, and get a solid foundation for your business as far as SEO. Don't worry about the off-page. Don't worry about guest posting. Don't worry about all this outreach and do what you need to do first. So many people were asking me about link building and what about where do you buy your links and blah blah blah. You go look at their page and there's no meta tags, there's no title tags, nothing is optimized on page. So start there. Don't even be asking questions about off page and link building and outreach and blah blah blah. So that's one thing that's going, and I do have time to continue building this blog, and I already have the knowledge. I already know what to do. It's just as simple as laying it out for each business owner to understand. Now, the target audience for this for the blog and is mainly for a service-based business. Now, what's a service-based business? I'm talking about hair salons. I'm talking about carpenters, plumbers, electricians. I'm talking about pressure washing companies, lawn and landscape. These are all service-based businesses. So when you think about small business, local businesses, that's what we're primarily targeting. That's our audience. I want to help those people, local businesses that are trying to make the leap because they're being forced to go online. Even the ones that didn't want to go online, they're being forced to go online, and they don't even know where to start. They don't know what to do, and they're hearing all this jargon about SEO and words they don't understand. And don't worry about all that. It doesn't matter. SEOs want it to sound complicated so that you have to go to them, but that's not what's going down, guys. This is all information that is free out there online, and sometimes it is hard to find and all that. That's what the blog is for. I want this blog to be a one-stop shop. You're ready to do SEO, come to the blog, learn it. That's simple. So that's primary. That's our number one thing. And then once I get out and able to pull my hands away from the underground construction, the drilling company, I'll be able to release more and more and more information to help you guys, and also to not only I'll be able to do more side hustling myself. And I love doing this stuff to test the waters, see how it's going, and then let you guys know what I found, if it's successful, if it's profitable, if it's even worth chasing. I love doing that stuff, but I just don't have time right now. Another thing is these websites. A lot of people are buying or wanting to buy websites, different content blogs. They're wanting to do affiliate marketing. They're wanting to build a passive income stream, and I understand all that, but there's so many scams out there, guys. I'm almost ready to tell you, hurry up and go buy a content blog, throw some ads up and make some money, because the most appealing websites for sale right now are all scams. Not all scams, many of them are scams, and if it's too good to be true, stay away from it. But at the same time, the caveat to that is, I tell you to stay away from those, and there may be a diamond in the rough. You may pass up something that truly was a life-changing website that you could have snatched up for a little of nothing and made money for the rest of your life. So, with that being said, I've been getting tons of messages from people where I had left some comments on FREEEE and under some websites. I always recommend going to FREEEE. FREEEE is a great website to get started buying other websites and passive income streams. FREEEE is great for this. Empire Flippers is another place. So what I want to do is I want to help you guys find that income stream, that diamond in the rough. I want to help you find a solid website that you can purchase, put up, slowly add more and more and more content to it, and earn money, whether it's from ads, affiliate marketing, whatever it may be. I want you guys to get started, but I want it to be safe, and I want you guys to not get scammed, okay? So with all those messages I've been getting, I've been thinking about somehow helping you guys find that website, and then let FREEEE pay me. Y'all don't pay me, or maybe y'all pay a really small fee, 50 or 100 bucks, and you got an online business. I'll do all the research, I'll look at it, whatever. So FREEEE pays me already for referral fees. So when I send you there, they're going to pay me depending on what you spend. So we'll go that route. We'll let Flippa pay me, and then I'll do all the research, the in-depth. I'll go in, I'll talk to the owner, I'll dig, I'll find out the numbers, and I will tell you yes or no, this is a good website, or this is not a good website, this is a bad investment, it's a scam, whatever it may be. So I'm working on that too. That's kind of just an idea. I've still got to put it all together. So bear with me. If you do have any questions about a website that you're looking at on Flippa or anywhere else for that matter, get me in contact. I'm not going to steal your idea. I don't have time to steal your idea, but I do want to help you guys and gals. If you really are wanting to pursue this and you're really about to buy a website, I would much rather go look, speak to the owner, dig through the numbers, and look and see what kind of traffic, if it's scam, if they're forcing traffic in there and purchasing visitors, clicks, and blah blah blah. I will find out. I've done this long enough. I know enough about this business that I can almost guarantee you, if I tell you to go buy a business, you're not getting scammed, because I do some deep research when I talk to these owners, and I know what to look for. I've been there, I've been scammed. I've found some great opportunities, awesome investments that literally take you purchasing, swapping over the names and the accounts, and it just sits there full of content, already ads, everything on there, and it's ready to go, and it's earning you money week after week, month after month, and so on. So with that being said, please hang on, guys. Stick with me. Let's do this together. Follow along with my journey. I publish a lot about the drilling company and what I'm doing, and online. If you have any questions whatsoever, I've got tons of experience in digital marketing in general, from SEO to PPC ads to managing and planning, organizing. I've been there, guys. I've made money from it in some way, some form or fashion. So I want to share that, guys, with you. And I also want to encourage you to start looking, check out some things online. Flippa's a great place to start. You can really narrow down the search and find exactly what you're looking for, and then shoot me a message. My profile, my Facebook profile, will be in the link below. Click on it, shoot me a message. I'll reply to everybody. I always answer all questions, although it's getting more and more messages here recently, but I can help you guys out. So yeah, guys, shoot me a message. I love speaking and hanging out and networking with you guys. You're all like-minded, and a lot of you are go-getters, and many of you are so skilled, and you already have a side hustle. You already know what you're doing and what you want. Maybe you found a bottleneck. Maybe you found a roadblock, whatever. I want to help you guys get past that and really scale this thing out or get started. So until next time, guys, I will be back on here. Bear with me. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already on YouTube. Follow us here on Facebook. Also, check us out. I have a Facebook page where I just kind of randomly dump information about online and digital marketing and making money online. Go check that out. Online Profits Mastermind. All of you guys are welcome to join me there. I encourage you to. I encourage you to take the first step, whether it's planning or actually taking action. I always recommend you take action on what you learn. Don't just sit there and sob all this up like a sponge and don't use any of the knowledge or skills you've learned. That's a huge issue, guys, and so many people suffer from that, and they lose and they leave so much money on the table because they never take action. They have the skills, they have the knowledge, but they never move. You got to move, guys. So until next time, guys.